I would like to believe that all of us sitting here fairly somewhere have that privilege.
True.
लोग हैं या गाड़ी है या गाड़ी में जा
Yeah.
सकते हैं. I sometimes think about women who don't have that privilege.
Of course.
Yeah.
And it's scary how they navigate this.
True.
I think basics na first. I think सबसे पहले तो public transport and public spaces have to be made safe for women. Like no girl should be thinking twice about taking a train, taking a bus, taking an auto rickshaw and thinking, oh my god, am I going to reach my final destination or not? And not just for Delhi. I think all over the country,
World, yeah.
all over the world. And that as civil society, that's the basic.
Yeah.
हम चांद तारे नहीं मांग रहे, हम कुछ बहुत बड़ी चीज नहीं मांग रहे, बहुत बेसिक चीज है कि आप अपने घर से कॉलेज जा रहे हो, स्कूल जा रहे हो, काम पे जा रहे हो, घूमने जा रहे हो, आप जो मर्जी करने जा रहे हो, you should be able to have the basic dignity of reaching safely to your destination. और women safety की जहाँ बात आती है ना, I think there's so much shame and there's so much conversation around उसने क्या पहना था, वहाँ पे स्कर्ट पहन के जाने की क्या जरूरत थी. I don't think your outfit has got anything to do with bad behavior of other people. ये जो victim shaming हम करते हैं ना, ये तो बंद ही कर देना चाहिए. मतलब आपने घड़ी पहनी है और मैंने आपकी घड़ी चुरा ली, तो आप ही को डांट पड़ी, तुम घड़ी पहन के क्यों गए थे?
Yeah.
It's like so bizarre.
करेक्ट. आप दोनों इस चीज़ के बारे में बात कर रहे थे कि कैसे अकाउंटेबिलिटी शुड बी.
I'm going to do so.
यस.
Okay, this is far good idea.
Woo!
अब बात करते हैं.
Oh my god, I'm going to do that also.
Love it.
Yeah, good idea. चलो.
चलो.
This is mind blowing.
Best.
मतलब जो इतने politely और सही तरीके से नहीं हो सकता. हाँ.
चलो.
चलो अब बात करते हैं.
अब बात करते हैं.
हाँ बताओ. अब बताओ जी.
Safe space.
Safe space.
Now we are in our safe space.
So, मैं पूछ रही थी कि आप लोग दोनों इस चीज़ के बारे में बात कर रहे थे कि कैसे अकाउंटेबिलिटी वहाँ मांगी जानी चाहिए जहाँ ड्यू है. Right, like how you said, it should not be on the women ki what were you wearing, why did you go out late at night, and it's bizarre, but it's just that like it blows my mind when leaders of our country, when people in power come and say कि लड़कियों को रात में नहीं जाना चाहिए. So I want to ask you that what are we doing wrong with talking about women's safety?
I think it starts very early on. It starts in our homes. It starts in our educational institutions. It starts in perhaps the roles from bachpan se they're defined as gendered roles. Like I'll tell you something. I went to a co-ed school. And then I went to all girls college. And I thought I'll really resent the fact that I'm going to like a segregated all girls institution. But can I please tell you, it was the best decision of my life. Because with the safe space, I understood for the first time what that was. And because we were there and there were no guys around, every single thing we had to do on our own. There was no concept of, oh, this is, if you had to do a play, from lights to permissions to this to that, everything was done by women. Right? And I feel like it was such an important part of my education and understanding. It really shaped the way I think about life, about what I can or cannot do, what I can or cannot achieve. It has helped me in my life call out bullies and people who try and put me in some sort of a place by telling me that I'm a woman and there are certain things I can or cannot do. It has made me understand my rights better. You cannot change society by one conversation. You cannot change somebody's mindset by reading one essay or perhaps watching a show. It's a bunch, it's generations of patriarchy, generations of conditioned, generations of God knows what all that is being passed on and on. तो एक पिक्चर बनाने से या एक कॉन्वर्सेशन करने से या एक हम ऐसे बैठ के बात करेंगे वो बदलेगा नहीं.
बिल्कुल.
There are things that I am also, and I'm sure like all of us are also still figuring, right? So it has to be collective conversations about different aspects of this, and then maybe things will, the needle will move.
Yeah.
Like whenever we go for interviews, we get this asked often, like, oh, tell us about pay parity. Of course, I believe there should be pay parity, but the question is not to be asked to me. It is to be asked to people who are signing the checks, and also to the men who are okay with this kind of disparity existing in our business, who have been stakeholders for far too long. So that's what I feel about it. It's not, we have to keep talking, घर पे, कॉलेज में, स्कूल में, अपने पार्टनर्स के साथ, अपने दोस्तों के साथ, अपने कॉलीग्स के साथ, अपने वर्क प्लेस पे. Like if a woman is doing well, why do we always try and be like, हाँ उसका तो कुछ सीन चल रहा होगा बॉस के साथ type. It's the easiest thing to do. It's character assassination. But if a guy is doing that, it's like, of course he's good.
Yeah.
You know, or even in our films, if a guy has multiple girlfriends, oh, he's so cute, yeah. तो नटखट है थोड़ा सा. But if a girl is seen as having multiple partners, oh, she's a slut.
Yeah.
And it is just such a,
Correct.
you know, easy thing to just brush off.
Absolutely.
बहुत बोल दिया क्या?
Absolutely. नहीं.
नहीं,
ध्यान से देख रहे हो?
नहीं, सही बोल रहे हो।
हाँ, ये मेरे पाँव पर रखती है.
अब बात
वो ध्यान अब बताती हूँ तुमको.
She's coming to a बड़ी दीदी character
वो-
by the way, completely.
Not at
Not
all.
badi
No,
didi, no.
Badi didi is not-
Don't want to meet badi didi.
No. Okay, so एक fun segment करते हैं because I feel that we still carry safety checklists with us even today, or we have perhaps carried safety checklists with us, right? Like we've done things to ensure our own safety.
Not a bad thing.
Not a
like
bad
Chef
thing,
said,
yeah.
It's not a bad thing at
Absolutely.
all. You have something beautiful and valuable. There's no harm in taking protection around.
Protecting, yeah.
Yeah.
Correct. Okay.
No harm in taking protection in any aspect of it. What do you think?
No, not at all. Not at all.
So मैं आपको कुछ prompts देने वाली हूँ और आप मुझे बताओ कि आपने ये कभी किया है कि नहीं. Carried pepper spray or keychain in bag.
No.
No, even I've not done that.
No?
No.
No?
But I learned like training.
Chops and all that.
हाँ, हम लोग के कॉलेज में होता था self defense training.
Very proud of
वो किया मैंने.
Wow. Okay.
वो compulsory था, which is a good thing.
मैंने भी किया, कुछ हुआ नहीं.
I'm scared of you. I am not ever troubling you.
No,
For sure.
ma'am, actually पता है like do people come up to you and say that Shefali ma'am we were very scared of you पहले but अब बात करके लग रहा है आप तो cool हो.
चप्पल निकालने के बाद तो और भी cool. All the time.
है ना?
All the, you know, it's very funny. So there are a lot of, like when you're doing a project and you meet the director has given this has happened, huh? He sat and given them a briefing of how you are supposed to behave with her.
Oh wow.
You don't talk to her, you don't come into her vicinity, only answer the questions she is asking, keep away when she's on set. So it's like they're
Who
all
are
like,
you?
yeah, they're like, you know, she's very serious and like
Really?
you don't
No.
mess around and mess around. तो अच्छा ही है, but like you know, you don't monkey around with her and then they meet me.
Like she's the biggest monkey.
Finished. Yeah,
She's the biggest
This
monkey.
is the biggest मतलब entertainment thing.
Yeah.
So they are all very scared until they meet.
Yeah. And until Madam Sir takes off her shoes. Yeah. Okay. Texted a friend your cab or rickshaw number.
Yeah, that I've done. That I've also sent live location.
Live location.
कि भाई मैं ये इस वक्त going somewhere kind of
Yeah.
thing. Yeah.
No, I haven't done it because I think the phone and mobile and everything happened after I had reached a position where I was kind of, you know, I had my own means of safety.
Correct.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.